The last part of the chapter is about conservation of minerals. Now we have studied about iron, manganese, copper, bauxite, mica, coal, petroleum, non-conventional sources like solar energy, wind energy, and biomass. We have studied about this. So the question here is some minerals which you have seen just now. Like if I show you, if I show you from the beginning, now this is a excavation site. This is just one mine. India has so many mines. If we take out minerals like this from the earth and leave earth like this, if we take out manganese, bauxite is available in abundance, but if we take out copper is already very less. Mica in large scale, coal which is producing a lot of smoke, petroleum which is producing a lot of smoke and poisonous gases to the atmosphere. So if we don't think about all this, then how we are going to conserve this earth? This earth is going to have a lot of excavation sites and there will be a lot of pollution. So the question comes here, there was a 3-mark question which and the content is not given in your book. The question was, why do we need to conserve minerals? We need to conserve minerals because most of the minerals are non-renewable. Like coal is not renewable, iron is not renewable. If you use it once, you can't fill the earth back. So minerals are non-renewable. Some minerals, when they are used, they cause pollution. That is another thing. Third thing, it's very important to conserve minerals because the excavation sites which are left are degraded badly and are of no use after minerals are taken out. So degradation of land is caused by mineral extraction. That is why we need to conserve them. To save the earth, we need to conserve the minerals. So if you get a question, why do we need to conserve the minerals? You will say they are non-renewable, they degrade the earth, they pollute the environment. These are the points can be written and how we can do it. We can do it by using non-conventional resources. If you want to produce electricity, use solar energy, wind energy rather than coal. Use biomass rather than coal. Recycling of metals. So metal which is produced one like iron, if it is of no use like old cars, old trucks should be recycled. Reuse of energy resources. Whatever energy resources we have with us, we should be reusing them time and again. Use of alternative resources. Alternative resources are wind energy and solar energy only. Use scrap metals. Scrap is the leftover of metal. When iron sheet is cut out, the side material which is left by cutting is called as scrap. So scrap is to be used. Export should be reduced. India, do you know India exports a lot of iron to the other countries? So we already, if we are largest in Asia, and we think that we have too much of it and we can export it and earn income, then we are actually digging our own earth, we're digging our own land to give material to somebody else. So we should not be wasting our land like that. Export of strategic and scarce minerals. Strategic are those who are really important for country's own protection and which are already very less, should not be done. I've got this beautiful poster made by some of the students like you only, where it is showing two parts of the earth. So if you see it, this earth, the upper part is the good earth, where there is a good hand, it is having good sources and earth is good, it's showing the sign of recycled. If we use petroleum, if we use coal, this is how earth is bleeding and burning. This is the bad earth. So we should be opting for this if we want to have energy conservation instead of this. So the future is in our hand, whether we want to have earth like this and suffer with climate change, global warming, pollution, deadly diseases, or we want to have earth like this where earth is beautiful, blue, pollution free, clean and all. So that's all about the chapter. I hope you didn't find it very difficult. It's very easy. I'll share the video and PowerPoint presentation and the notes with you. The entire content is from book but written in points. Learn all the small things, one word answers from it for 1 mark question, and for 3 mark question, last 3 slides are very important. 3 mark question generally comes from here or from the uses of minerals. Let me know if you have any doubts.